Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, October the 27th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will do in the evening. But let me start with this one. News of today, well, I've told you 20 days ago the war started. Another war started in Israel. So yeah, it has also changed the world. Wow. Okay. This one, number 634. No. 7341. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. And should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. So maybe it's a 1-star puzzle or a 2-star puzzle. A 1-star, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is a really a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 1 single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Let me see. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes here. I see here a triple box. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Triple box. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes. For figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. This is the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Nope. Well, not true. We have here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one kind of one shape. One kind of shape. Yes. The following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the S, and if you mirror this, you will get the Z. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. The Z or the S construction. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Well, in this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. It's connected with that box, should be also 5. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Then these 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then 1. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then. Let me see. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Right. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1, 2 and 1. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there. And this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes here. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Then 3 and 5. Okay. Then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. It's in the same area. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then these two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then, let me think. These two boxes can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this Z or S construction. Should be here. I think this box should be 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Then, let me think. 3, okay. Yeah, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 should be in one of those two boxes. But I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be here. Then these two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 and 2. Well, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. Overlooked. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 and 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. Alright. Then. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this Z or S construction should be here. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction. 1 numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. And 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box can be a 5. That box can be 5 and this box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Of course, it's connected with each other. Didn't saw that. Yeah. Anyway. Let me see. Yeah. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be a 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be a 3 goes there. These two boxes should be 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. 1 and 3. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be one. So the one could be here, could be there. I think this box. Oh, wait. Yeah, I need to wait. Okay. Well. Let me think. 2 or 5. No, 4 here. 5. 1, 2. Well, now I'm stuck. Cannot believe this. Well, this box can be 1, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Okay. 2 or a 3. Okay. This box can be 1, can be 3, can be 4. So 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. Well. This box can be 2. Oh, wait. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a double 4 there. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Okay, and now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So now 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Okay. And that means that this box cannot be 2 or a 3. Because we have double 2 there, double 3 there. So the 2 and the 3 in this L-shaped area should be here or there. But we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2 then. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5 then. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Yeah, finished 17 minutes. Well. Told you, 2 stars. Between 15 and 20 minutes, I need to solve a jigsaw Sudoku. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.